Can you explain Etsy ads? Single and decisive. Oh, that's a weird name. But yeah, of course I can explain Etsy ads. Etsy ads are honestly the most simple advertising platform I've ever seen. Almost too simple. So I would say, basically the way it works is you have a budget for the entire store. Let's say you have 10 listings. You have 10 listings. You have a budget for those 10 listings. Etsy allocates and decides where it wants to put that budget. If it loves one product and you've got it turned on, it will send all the budget to there, okay? So it's based upon the algorithm, right? It just decides which one it likes the most. Yeah, so basically Etsy ads, you turn on and off products. Let's say you have 10 products, you turn on and off each individual one. The way you would optimize ads and the way I would start ads is start at $5. When it fully spends, you understand when you get to it. When it fully spends that $5 in a 24-hour period, increase 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, blah, blah, blah. So on and so forth, okay? That's the first thing. I would optimize ads. Same thing I've been talking about for many, many moons is, I said those random shit. This is many, many moons. Is $5 a day, no more than 10 products active if you have $5, okay? So it's 50 cents per thing, right? 50 cents per listing live. You want to focus if it has spent $3, less than a 1% click rate, CTR, CR, you want to turn it off if it spent $3. So if it has like 1% and spent $5, leave it on, yeah? Then if it's no sale between $12 and $15, turn it off.